Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, it's been a while, and so I just finished the class and I just went to get my delivery, the parcel that was just delivered to me. I just went to get it downstairs from the reception, and trust me, this looks so. Let me go straight to the point. So I decided that you don't tell, it's been a while since I started working out and things like that. And so baby girl needs to keep fit, baby girl needs to look good, baby girl needs to have keep this sporty body in place and ensure that I preserve it. Yeah. So I got some stuff I would need for my sporting activities. Even though I think I didn't get all the things I needed, I should have ordered for them, especially like a sports, is it top or jacket? I should have ordered for that, and then shorts. Even though I had maybe sporting shorts and any other shorts I could use, but I just feel I should have ordered for it. But here now, inside here, I bought the new canvas, because all the canvas and boots I have, I can't use it to roll. And then I ordered this within the column strap. You can put your phone inside and then strap it and maybe jogging with your phone. I don't forget what's in the color. I've forgotten what it's called, but yeah, if I open it, you're going to see. So that's what I got: a canvas and a pairs of, is it 5? How many pairs of stockings, and then that phone strap. So that's what I got, and yeah, I'm going to be opening it right now. I need to get scissors. Please hold on. Okay. Yeah. So I have my scissors here. I have the box here. This is it. Delivered this morning. I think I ordered for it last week. Yeah. So this is it, and this is what it looks like. So yes. I'm trying to. I'm feeling really excited because the shoe, from what I saw online, it looked really nice. That's like the shoe, and trust me, it looks really nice. Really nice, and I hope it's as predicted. In fact, I need it to be as predicted. Which one did you say like pure water? Hey, guys, you need to see inside this kind of thing. What's going on here? Like, what are this ones? Like nylon that air was put inside, and then it's inside like that. Okay, I just think maybe they just wanted it to fit into the box. I just think that's why. So yeah, this is the other note. Okay, so yeah, running armband. Yeah, that's what it's called. And then I have trainers, and then I have socks. Yeah, that's what was ordered inside. So I'm just removing this. This is what I was talking about. It's like pure water that there's water inside. It's just air. You just put air. Can you guys see? And so yeah, then the first thing my hand reached out to, I'm guessing, is the running band. Yeah, that's it. There's a running band. That's it. So let's see what it looks like. Wow. That's what I feel. Hey. Makes sense. So put my phone here. Like maybe if I go out to jog, like I'm going out to jog, I put my phone here. You see, put my phone here, like inside here. I put my phone inside here and then close it. Yeah, just how do you do this? Something like this, yeah, something like this. So my phone will be inside, and then I'll just lace it up like this. My phone will be inside, and then I'll be jogging with it. So I don't need to maybe say I left my phone in my room or somewhere else. So it will just be here, and then I'll be jogging with it. So yeah, that's why I got this. Looks nice. The next thing, oh wow, is the socks. The socks. Okay. So the next thing is the socks, and wow. Pair of, how many days this is inside? 3 packs. Okay, so it's 3 packs of stockings. So I just bought it because my old socks they mostly were worn out. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So it's like 3 pairs. So yeah, maybe 1 for jogging, and then this other 2 for wearing my other boots. So that's why I bought it. I was actually thinking of whether I should get this short one and get the long one. But then let me just manage this one. Okay, so that's it. And then to the main thing, the main thing. So the main thing. This is it, the canvas. So it's a white and black canvas that I actually bought. White and black. And I picked size 7 because the other shoes I've been wearing are all size 7. And hey, the way the back of this one is long, I hope it's not bigger than me. But yeah, it's so, oh my gosh, that's really so the canvas. I've been at trainers. So the trainers. Can you see that? It looks really beautiful. Like it looks really beautiful. Do you know that the reason I picked this canvas, I saw others, but the reason I picked this canvas was the sew. You see here, see the way it's made here, and then this thing here. That's the reason I picked this canvas. Honestly, truth be told, that's the reason I picked it. So yeah, this is it. This is one leg. Let me read out the other leg. Oh, this looks really nice. Okay, so let me show you now. This looks really big. Ooh, oh my gosh, it looks really beautiful. Like I'm telling you, it looks beautiful. I really love it. This, you see this sew here, the way it's made here and then here. It's really beautiful. By the way, why am I always wearing something that has black and has white? As in, it's not small to me. This is size 7. This is size 7. Okay, oops, they enter me. Anyway, so that's it, and let me try it on. So these are my Ola. I love the shoes. Anyway, so here we are. What does size 7 look like? It was almost. Imagine that I ordered size 6 or 6.5. I hope I don't finish. Because like the shoe just grabbed me. Like you can see my leg here. It entered me very well. It just grabbed me. You can see my leg. My leg is here. Hey, thank God I did not order 6.5. It would have been bad. Thank God I didn't order 6.5. And I love the way the shoe is feeling in my leg. The feel of the shoe in my leg, like I love it. It feels really big. Anyways, first of all, let me remove these old stockings. Let me try it with the new one. I was thinking these stockings would be thicker. Honestly, it's not thicker. Just like the other ones I said was not thick. But one thing I love is that it has antibacterial. If you look, like, I don't know if you'll be able to see it now. It has something called antibacterial, blah blah blah, like under it. Under is so thick, like under this stuff is so thick. So that's, anyways, one of the reasons I bought it. The thing grabbed my leg, like there's no space. Imagine that I bought 6.5. Can you imagine? Now I'm feeling like I should have even gotten 7.5. Thank God for wisdom. Hey, imagine I got 6.5. Can you imagine? If you can see, you see that my leg got to the last part. This is what Nigerian mothers will be like. No, you grow more than it, so they will need to give you 8 or 10. But this looks really nice. You must see. This looks really nice. What do you guys think?